Okay, so this is what I came up with out of that scrap metal parts. As you can see, I used a staple gun and reversed the trigger mechanism and welded that together to make a handle and trigger. Then I took the block sander and used it for the stock that you can hold on to. Then I took a part of, looks like an old electric motor and that spins, and welded some round stock inside to give it that Gatling gun look. Took some old electrical parts like right here, give it that futuristic type of look. And for the stock, I found a piece of flat metal and cut it into a nice cool shape. Welded on a bar for the butt stock. Yeah, so just check it out. As you can see, the barrels inside for the Gatling gun look. Or you can hold it right here, put your hand right here, and put this into your shoulder, hold it up like this. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's scrap metal art project. Be sure, if you like the video, to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming projects, and check out my other videos on my channel. I got Matt's Finds episodes where I go to yard sales and thrift stores and find cool stuff and show them off to you guys, and I also do Hot Wheels races and real life stuff and nature, outdoors. So be sure to check out the rest of the channel. Have a great day, guys.